steak for dinner. For dinner.
Great, honey. Thanks for telling me about it. I hope you don't mind I invited Lenny. And I hope you don't mind I invited Carl and Mo. Yeah, you know, my invitation didn't say nothing about no towel. So, I guess we should all...
Sorry about that. That's how much The Simpsons. Oh my god. Alright. You know what? So what? It's fine. Yeah. Oh, and then the infamous. Oh wait, maybe that was Coke. Yeah, I think that was Coke. Green bean. Alright, adios, bye. Wow, that was heavy, but not on the camera.